Okay, second attempt. This time you should have the my voice. This is 12-inch deep storage with what they call a flush toe kick. The flush toe kick gives it a little bit more of a furniture-y look. These are floating shelves, and they could be the same color as the island countertop. Probably makes sense. Or the floor, or even the cabinets in the island. It's a pantry with two big doors. Behind the two big doors, in theory, you would store a microwave and or a coffee machine, unless you want the coffee machine on this working surface here. I envision an outlet in the middle of this cabinet, and certainly there can be an outlet inside this cabinet too for the microwave and the coffee machine. 4 drawers here. Cabinet over the refrigerator. There will be a panel on the right side of the refrigerator to give the refrigerator a built-in look. Roll-out trays, 2 of them behind this door. This is a working door. This door swings to the left. This door swings to the right. Your vent. Got crown molding touching the ceiling. That goes through the vent area and butts up against this wall here. 36 wide stove. To the left of the stove are 4 drawers. I see the spices going in here. It's hard to see, but this is a wall cabinet. Door swings to the left. Another door swings to the right. This cabinet and this cabinet are pretty much identical in width and height. This is a blind corner cabinet. Behind this door will be 2 swing outs to make this cabinet a little bit more user-friendly. This is a working drawer. This is your sink base. You can kind of see the sink. Hard to see with a faucet, but it's there. This is the larger window, wider window. 2 doors here. Dishwasher. Bank of 4 drawers next to the dishwasher. Drawer. 2 doors. Behind the 2 doors would be 2 roll-out trays. I've splashed some glass here. This is showing a diamond shape mullion. That's the wood part. They have many different options of mullions you can do. I thought this looked kind of unique. And you don't have to do clear glass. You could do a frosty glass or something that won't make the inside of the contents on the inside of the cabinet obvious. Again, I got crown molding. Bottom of the wall cabinets, I do have a light valance, they call this. It's another little molding right there. Because a lot of folks like to have under cabinet lighting, and this helps hide the under cabinet lighting fixture, although the fixture is going to be a tape light usually. I don't show the beverage refrigerator in here yet, but I think a better place for the beverage refrigerator is the island, and I can explore the idea of removing one of the cabinets from the island and replacing it with a beverage refrigerator, which I've done before. Or the beverage refrigerator can be where this cabinet is, underneath the countertop. A magic number, very common width for a beverage cabinet, beverage refrigerator is 24 inches wide. So it'd be interesting to see if you have a 24-inch wide cabinet in the island that would make sense to remove. I think I've covered everything. I can certainly work on pricing on this design option, and then we can continue talking about the other hurdles, which would be venting the vent outside and making the window larger.